Alright, buddy, here's the Tramp. Got the G string tightened back up on it. Got a little bit of attenuation right there, man. Put back there, that thing ain't gonna break off now. I think I had too much lead length on it before, probably, and just kind of bending back and forth or whatever. These caps right here, these two blue, one of these blue caps is what blew on you right here from excessive dead key, usually does that. So those two caps equal how much these four do, but I went ahead and put a standard caps back in there. Got your two 4.7s right here now, as you can see. Probably see this better with the amp face the other direction, but anyway. And got your new, another 2879 in there for you. Still a non-dot, it matches the other one fine. Check out this 1446, man. This thing is a damn beast. This is RMS. On the bottom scale where the 20 is 200 watts, in between that's 100. Oh, look at that. Almost 100 bird out of 11446. Oh, that's 95 bird, man. Take a look at the peak. Oh, almost 200 watts out of 11446. That damn 1446 is a beast, brother. I'm telling you, man. If you ever run that thing, I suggest you might want to turn this variable back. Let's put it back at halfway. See what happens on the bird. Oh, about half. That's about half power right there, half power. Oh, that thing's still doing about 180 peak. God almighty. Whew. Man, I might should have took that 1446 out, put a 2290 in there, man. Look, do not run that dual final any tone into this 3-pill. Only do it into the 2. Now here's your 2-pill section. Oh, look at that 180 bird, dude, already. Just hitting it with the 2-pill section. Oh, that's dropping the supply down to about 15.4. Alright, here's both of them. The one driving into the 2. Oh, almost 250 bird, but the problem is the voltage, it's sucking the supply clean almost. Oh, almost 13.9 volts, 14 volts even. So really I need to turn, the supply up on the 100 amp tap, the high tap. Oh, look at that 300 bird. Oh, PEP. Oh, almost 600 watts. She's ready to go, bud. That's more like it, man. Cock back, G strings tightened up, as you say about it. You call this your Tramp because it's a 3-pill, and she's ready to get back on the street for you, man, and drop some mall on some mud ducks. So like I said, that's all I had to do, man, is put that transistor in there for you, put that resistor in there, replace that resistor, put two 4.7s right here for you. Those 4104s right there. Replace this LED right here that was out for you, and I fixed the fan. I know this is kind of ugly and everything, man, but to make these purple LEDs and this fan work, I remember when I replaced this was a blue fan, right? A blue LED fan. When I replaced it and put purple LEDs in it originally, they were so dim you couldn't hardly see them at all. Period. Let's see here. I think I thought I said, yeah, well, but anyway, the two resistors I put on there, they were blown, man. I didn't think they were getting that hot to blow. So I got you 2 watts on now. It's just the way they got the circuit set up on here, man. And they're still not super bright, but you can still see them a little bit. Me personally, man, I would say put a better fan on this thing. That's up to you. If you ever want to put a better fan on it, it's real simple to do, as you can see. Just remember these two right here, there's 2 diodes in here. That's letting you know the fan, when you turn on one switch, it's not feeding back the other direction and turning this section on. So if you ever do want to put another fan on it, first off, just make sure it's going to clear everything in here. And just cut it right here. You know, just cut it right there and piece it together. Just make sure those if you cut this back, you'll see where I have the wires soldered on this wire. Okay. Just leave this here. Okay. You just leave this on here and just cut it right here on this side if you want to replace the fan and get you a bigger fan. But I mean, it's blowing air fine. I'm just saying, if you're going to run the 3-pill, you know, all of it, I'd say put a bigger fan on it, to be honest with you. But it's pushing air, man. I'm just one of them type of guys. I like so much air going through my box, man. I want that big box levitating, man. Or when you turn it on, the box slides back. I like that little ferrite bead you put on there, man. But you good to go, man. Put this top back on here, and I hope it lasts for you now. Just don't forget, don't run to any tone into the 1-pill, 1-pill into 3. Run the any tone in the high drive mode with the 2-pill section on. I didn't show how much that's doing PEP wise. Let me turn it back on the medium tap where I had it when I was doing when I was keying it earlier. See what it's doing PEP wise just with the 2-pill section. Oh, it's about 450. Alright, bud. She's ready to go. Have fun, man. Hope it lasts a lot longer for you this time, bud. Just be careful with it. Just remember, this variable right here is only active when either the 1-pill section is on, okay, or both is on. And of course, it's because that 1-pill section's on. All right, buddy, have fun. You gotta keep your set. We're gone.